Rick,
Yes,
we're here now in the module Create Personal Design.
that's right.
Tell me more about this one, please.
Well, I'll start off by telling you why you want to use Create Personal Design. For one, you probably wouldn't have found the skin you liked in the BookYou skin selection, and you want to create a unique skin especially for yourself with your colors, your headers, your background, etc. So that's what you'll be able to do here.
All right. And tell me, are these settings also connected to the settings for email, for example?
Yes, that was actually my next point. You've got to be very careful here because we've got 4 different points what are not only concerning for your personal BookYou website but connected to your emails as well. So if you stand still on some of the text, I'll show you exactly what ones there are. You can see there's 2 paragraphs here that actually explain exactly what ones will be concerning your background inside your emails and stuff as well. So that is the background color header, the background color content, the text booking items, and the color of headline.
All right.
Those are the 4 points that will directly interfere with your emails. So if you do not want that, please put these on white. And if you do use it, make sure that you color your text inside your emails as well if you've got a dark background.
So the background white, and for the text use black.
Exactly, or black background, white text, or red or blue, but not black background, black text, because then you won't be able to see your text.
All right. Good to know. Where can I check what my page looks like?
Well, once again, there's 2 different options. The easiest one is BookYou booking site. You click there once, and you go straight to your BookYou booking site. The other one is www.bookyou.com/your username, and then press enter, and then you come into your BookYou website as well.
All right. And can I change my current website within this module?
No, that's impossible. We cannot create the link directly to your private website, so you can alter it inside the system. That's not possible. You can only do that with your own IT guy.
All right. And next question, is there internal help for creating a personal skin?
That's actually what we're doing right now, this video. If that's not sufficient enough for you, of course we've got the rollover on nearly all the points that will exactly tell you what all the different words and points are for. If you do have any more questions, of course you are more than welcome to call our information line. But I think that the rollovers will give you enough information on this point.
All right. What I actually mean is, can BookYou help me with creating a personal design?
We cannot actually help you. You can actually ask us to create your personal website. We have got a designer to do that. As you probably have seen at our previous BookYou skin selection video, there are a lot of different skins you can choose from. We have actually had a designer do that. So if you want to have a personal design created by a designer, please let us know, and we'll talk to you about the price and the possibility of what your wishes are.
All right. And is there, when I try it myself, is there a way to easily resize or crop some images?
Yes, there definitely is. There's a question quite a lot of people ask us. Right down at the bottom, we've got click here for a brief tutorial about how to crop pictures into the right size. All you got to do is click there, you go to another website, and that exactly explains to you how to do that and how to crop and resize your image.
All right. At the bottom of the page, I see also a word that's called bullet menu, a field.
Yeah, bullet menu. Yeah.
What does it mean?
Here. Well, I think it's easiest if I show you. If we go to just one of the websites, you can see all the different words here. Now, if you choose to upload your own bullet menu, just before the words there'll be a bullet, and normal bullets will be a dot, a stripe, a square, a star. But we wanted to be able to create a personal one. So maybe part of your business or a logo or maybe an animal that represents your company or even your own smiling face, whatever bullet you want, just to be able to make it as personal as possible.
That's nice. That's good to know. Will I have to adjust my widgets depending on my settings in personal design?
No, I know one. If you go to your BookYou booking site, your booking selection menu will look very much like the widget. It's not a widget. You won't have to interfere with that. A widget and its information will be under design and settings. Please watch the video if you're worried about some of these circumstances. But it does not interfere with your widget. Or you won't have a widget really if you use the BookYou booking site because it's already integrated in the booking site.
Yeah, so it's logical to choose between the widgets with my external or current booking site or the BookYou booking site.
Exactly. So if you want to use your current website as your booking platform, you use that, or you use the booking site.
All right, good to know.
Okay.
Can I change the layout of the page?
The basic layout of our pages you cannot change. Like you just saw, you can change all the color, every detail inside the page, but the actual layout itself, the format, you cannot change. So this will be the same size. You'll have your header, your subtext, stuff like that, but you won't be able to change the layout.
All right. Well, I tried it once, but my color didn't show up. How's that possible?
That is happens quite frequently because people forget to push the hash key here. So you fill in the color, you know exactly what color you want, press enter, and you get frustrated because your color doesn't show up. Well, there are three main reasons. The first one is that you forget to put the hash key before your code. The second one can be because you haven't refreshed the page. This can be done by pressing F5 or on the refresh button inside your toolbar. And if that doesn't work, you can actually go and erase all your cookies, and that might help as well.
All right. So what's the best way to choose a color then?
The best way to choose a color is to actually know the code of the color inside your own personal website or that of your logo and integrate that into here. Is that what you mean?
Well, and if I don't know the code?
If you don't know the code, you can easily just click and just scroll to whatever color you want, depending on what color you need.
All right. But is it possible to choose, for instance, red? Or
yes, of course.
okay. And then you click?
You click select.
Right.
And there we are.
Okay.
That's your color.
Nice.
So that's really the basic structure, how it works, and you can do that on every different small module you can see here. Just click on it, select your color, and that's it. Be aware that you save. You can save by pressing enter on your keyboard or save down here, whatever you want.
All right, good. Okay, how does the link work to my booking site?
In this case, you're talking about the link from your personal website to this website, or
yes, which link can I communicate to my visitors, to my clients?
That is quite easy. I'll just scroll down the screen a little bit here. As you can see, we always use very basic structure. If you want a different domain name, please tell us and we can arrange that for you as well. But to start off with, you always get www.bookyou.com/your personal username. In this case, it's top, and that'll be the site that you can communicate to your customers, and that's where they'll be able to find your website. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Can I upload other files than JPEGs?
No. JPEG files is Apple, Windows, everyone works with JPEG files, so that's the only ones we use as well.
All right. Well, in my sub-pages, which I haven't used yet, I get information of BookYou. How come?
Just to show you what you're probably referring to, this is one of the sites and there's still information in BookYou in here. If you don't like that and you want to change it, please go to menu structure and watch the video there, and they'll explain exactly on how to use your sub pages.
All right. So that's a sort of start image. So
Yeah.
I did not select my personal picture there.
No.
Okay.
That just means that the basic structure that BookYou offered you
Yeah.
is still in use. So if you want to alter that, you can of course just upload an on image.
All right. Very clear. Thanks, Rick.
All right, no problem. My pleasure.